Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Sound Moodboard, where I look at my sound mood board and I use it to learn how to make a song. I'm going to start picking songs and actually using them the way you would with a visual mood board and try to make stuff based on songs that I have saved in my sound mood board. And I randomly thought to just do this last week while I was healing from wisdom tooth removal, and it turned out incredible. So I'm going to continue and make it a series. This will not sound anything like the song that it is inspired by. Yeah, because I don't know how to do that. I literally don't. And I don't really want to. I just want to force myself to make things and not overthink. Somewhere in here, I call it a launch pad. Yeah, this activity is a launch pad for experimentation. I loved that I randomly came up with that. That's the motto for this series. Hope you enjoy my haircut as well. I don't know really how to style short hair. I've had it short for like 4 months now. I just rock with it kind of messy. Okay. Also, I got this little guy, but I'm gonna hide it. I'll figure out a better way to hide it. I need like metal wire so you can't see it, but or maybe you could just look at it. It's cute. Okay, anyways, enjoy. There was another one that I just saw that I was like, oh, you know what? Duh, I should do this one. Okay. I'm gonna do Uckers by Shygirl. Yeah! First song of the series. Hopefully this becomes a series. I might hate this experience. My intuition says, because I know so little, I should use like an online stem splitter so I can just listen to these. I won't be able to play them on here, unfortunately, but it's okay. So I guess now I have to get started. This song's pretty simple, actually. Let me just get a quick win and do the drums. The hardest part of this is like not knowing what's available to me really, and the instruments I choose are not going to sound the same. But that's cool because I'll come up with I'll end up with something that's its own thing, but structurally inspired. Okay. Okay. Why can't I hear that? Maybe if I applied different bells to this, it might sound better. Okay, that actually sounds nothing like it, but I like where this is going. I think I'm figuring out what I want to do for this activity as I do it. I think it's called what's it called? A launch pad. This activity is a launch pad for experimentation. The one element I will copy is the screaming, but maybe I'll find another sound effect that isn't a scream that sounds cool. So I'm gonna do some digging. I found the things. 5, 6, 7, 8, all together now. Okay, number 1 is number 2 and number 3. Oh wait, I copied the same one twice. That's violent. The police had to come and make it violent. I'm intrigued by the police one because like some of the best bangers in the world
like Slight Work with Big Sean, Wale and Big Sean. I don't remember.
Probably got your girl going crazy. Crazy, boy.
That's literally like an ongoing police siren in the background, right? So there's something to be said about that. But let me try playing around with the scream. I already just don't even really want to do this with the scream. I'm not doing this. Okay. I'm going rogue. I'm gonna do this transients trick that I learned in that class. Okay, let me just add the sirens. I'm gonna reverse the siren. I feel like I want the bells to be punchier and they need like dimension. I just like have the melody of the original song stuck in my head, so it makes me wish it sounded like that. But I think what I'm gonna do is duplicate the bells that I have and apply a different instrument. I don't really know what, like. Gonna add the fart sounding bassy thingy and the hats. And listen to this. When it's layered, it sounds really cool and it reminds me of Actress, my husband. Y'all know Actress? Tell him to call me. That sounds like, what song is that called? I never know the titles of songs. That is sounding cool. I think where I always mess up is like I keep adding to these loops and then I just get overwhelmed. I think I should just stick with what I have right now and build out the structure. I'm gonna use what I have and make like a 1 minute, well, maybe 2 minute thing with the phrasing. And then I want to have like a little switch up drum moment because the original song does that and I really like it, where it's like goes to like this kind of faster tempo dancey moment with the same exact drums. So let me play around with the structure of this and I will come back when I have something. This is good because I got to force myself to do it now. It is 7:44. Let me try to be back by 8. I really want to close my computer, but I'm going to push through. Okay. It's 8:01. I like the direction this is in. I'm gonna keep working. It's the next day and I believe I'm done. Actually, I barely touched this after filming yesterday and I love it. With fresh ears. Oh my gosh, I need to do this activity more often because this actually, I would listen to this and I'm being for real this time. It's a little wonky and obviously for, my skill level, whatever, but I love it. It's really cool that it sounds like its own thing, but like I wouldn't have got to this place if I didn't just listen to an existing song. With the little glittery da-da-da-ding. Well, mission complete. Have a great day.
I thought this was so fun and I'm so excited for the next one. I like a lot of music, so if you know a song or something that you think I would like and that would be good for me to add to my mood board and possibly do a video with, let me know. I know I only have about 13 subscribers at the moment, but hey, we can still engage, we can still we can still collab, Okay.